Alright guys and girls, just a really quick video to answer the question, and a couple of people have asked this one. So if a couple of people asked, there's plenty more people thinking it. They said, so with the dual battery, with the wiring install, don't look at the charger at the moment, just look at the battery and the wires. They said, where did you pick up the earth? Because we only ran the positive. The answer is anywhere, okay, anywhere. Please watch our playlist, batteries, solar, fridges, all the information's in there. I'll give you the quick rundown. What do you think? So we need to go through the basics actually. It could be a longer video somewhere later, so subscribe and turn the bell on. In short, what do you think's a better conductor? This piece of wire or the steel of the vehicle, which is massive? It's all steel, right? Okay, well the answer is quite obviously the steel of the vehicle is a better conductor than one piece of wire. Now the piece of wire would do the job, the car does the job, but why would you run another wire if the vehicle's already earth? We've already discussed and demonstrated before. You can see negative battery terminal, big fat cable to earth. There's more of them. You can see, look, they're down there. They're all over the vehicle, right? There's more down there. You can't see at the moment. I've got some wires in the way, but there's earths everywhere. So basically negative is earth to the vehicle. So we've done the same with this battery, right? But on purpose, I've only run one earth. So you can see this negative here. This runs down and around and back and nice and neat, and it comes to here. So what we do, we rub the paintwork off. You don't have to do this because it's going to make connection in the thread. It's going to make connection, but I like an awesome connection. I've only got one. It needs to be spot on, right? So carefully with a bit of wet emery paper, we just sort of just around the bolt hole, rub the paintwork away so that that terminal, when it goes on the paintwork, it makes an absolute red hot, perfect, excellent connection. So the only way we've connected this battery, okay, to the vehicle on the negative side is with that. That means we can pick it up anywhere in the vehicle. So in the back there, if you have a look near your jack, just above near the top of the jack there, you'll find another one of these little M6 threads where you can run all your negatives to there. See, like people say you can't, we did, okay? These fuse boxes, they're really built for boats. A boat isn't a conductor, it's fiberglass or aluminium. You can't run the negative that way. You have to run that negative wire. So we've only, that's where the positive comes in from the battery. These are the fuses, and that's where the positives go out. See the negative? It's not even used because further down in here, and all the details are in videos yet to come out. So make sure you subscribe with a bell on. Right, there it is there. That's where they all are. Neat and tidy out of the way. We went straight from A to C and bypassed B. Do you get what I mean? Straight from A, right? A, that's negative. Straight from A is the body of the vehicle, to C, direct to the wires of the components, like those power outlets, instead of going A to B, and then from B, from there to C. Do you know what I mean? Like there's less connections, it's more direct, and same thing, we rub the paint off down there. But subscribe and turn the bell on both our YouTube channels, and all the information will come out, and it's organised and it's put in playlists and everything, so you don't miss out. 4x4 Diesel, 4x4 Adventures. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch ya. See ya. Bye. More info there. Ciao.